yet or heteko taratu ta kato bakhala tasutana to me, I want to comment that today is my friends, my brother and sister. I want to comment for you about the Bible. Today is the faith. Okay, faith. Then kura bakro patu pathana patamu pusikola pata petama pataltake sikolo. Kaini pero le pakwa bakala le sosi awe tamatwe pa. Upaso la powe na yatit pa apu. Atunilo. I want to start reading about the here Matthew chapter 9, verse 22. Talk about here. Jesus turned and saw her. Take heart, daughters, he said. Your faith has healed you. And the woman was healed from that moment. Pagdeta mala away ni tamatala. Pomu pala asatu lorika. The woman, sick woman. He says how many years is station. Away ni pomu kala asatu lorika. Away satu lo kocharo. Away mako wera. Not sick but didn't do mano. No penny of a thin yellow tama that it pala taletake pune. Pay ro pagdeta away top our like a sacred. A good to me. No? Pay toss the edge of his cloth only. She said to himself, if I only touch his cloth, I will be healed. This is a faith, I went in midnight the miller, but crossable betting of political pay, That pay law. No pay law qua. Second verse talk about here. I want to read for you about that now. Pay is second verse, Mark chapters 10, verse 52 talk about it. Go, said Jesus, your faith has healed you. Immediately he resists his sight and followed Jesus along the road. Pagdera pay rock sacred no, go, le, no, the tanani ma blackinali. Penny the sue away to Nimbawata, sir, le atigita, your port of a sacred key, Nilo, le clenilo, no? When it made patu patala betamu psycholo. I got a tony tevra le Luca seven years a po. Le Luca 7 years a po yesine tevra delay, no? Luke chapter 7, verse 50 talk about Jesus said to the woman, your faith have saved you. Go in peace. But generally, the faith, your faith has. Painted Bethinia, sinful woman. Sinful woman sit down at Bethinia, but a lot of people around him, and then was thrown with stone to her. After that, Jesus talked about like this. I'm sorry about this, my brothers. Okay, I don't know how to you writing about that. Hi, okay. Here is the another thing is that this is you have faith. Okay, once you have faith, you can get so many things from Jesus. Okay. After that, I want to read for you about the Luke chapter 8, the verse 48 talk about. Then he said to her, daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace. Pagtet mala away ni kasakris siwdala away ni pumu na tana ni ma blackinali no le do umumuriki pagtet ordinary Another verse talk about here is the Luke chapter 17, verse 19 talk about this too. Then he said to him, rise and go your faith. Go your faith has made your well. Go your faith and make your well. This is 10 hairs of leprosy. 10 hairs of leprosy. Jesus healing, and then Jesus saw their faith, and then Jesus healing all people. But only just one come back to Jesus, and Jesus talk about like this. Okay, another one is the Luke chapter 18, verse 42. Talk about Luke chapter 18, verse 42. 42 talk about here. Jesus said to him, "Receive your sight. Your faith has healed you." This is a, the this is a blind man. Okay, beggar, blind man beggar. He receives sight. He receives sight because Jesus healing. Jesus healing. Here is the after Jesus approached Jericho, and blind man was sitting by the roadside begging. Yeah, saw the begging. When he heard the crowd going by, he asked why was happened. They told him Jesus of Nazareth and passing by. Only the blind man heard about the Jesus passing. Okay, here is the he called out, "Jesus, son of David, have mercy on me. Have mercy on me." Those who led the way refused him and told him to be quiet, but he shouted all the more, "Son of David, have mercy on me." Jesus stopped it, and ordered the man to be brought to him. Jesus is very grateful, man. Hi, my brother. What do you want me to do? Want me to do for you? Only when you ask to Jesus, Jesus only asked the question. Okay, what do you want me to do for you? Okay, you want us, I had to do for you. Tell me. Lord, I want to see, he replied. Only just he need to see. The beggar man, the blind, but only just he need to see. He asked. Jesus said to him, "Receive your sight, your faith has healed you." This is your faith. Because the blind man has faith, that this man is very grateful. Do you think about what happened in the war? But think about yourself. Faith, you have faith in Jesus, you will get so many things. Okay, and that you don't need to be mine and any other thing. This is a great thing. You should think about it. This is a Matthew chapter 9, verse 22. And the following verse, you can read it best and think about by yourself. There's so many things Jesus healing, and then the helping people. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother, sister. I want to see you next time. Bye bye. Good night, everyone. God bless you all.